Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to install mods on the REPO game. Firstly, go to overwolf/app/thunderstore mod manager, then click get app button to download the installer. Now run the downloaded file and follow the install wizard by clicking next until setup is complete. Once done, click launch or find it in your taskbar or start menu. In the game selection screen, search for your game and hover over the game and click on select game. Click create profile and name it. Now, search for and install R.E.P.O X-Pack. First, it's required by most mods. Now to add mods, click Get Mods from the left sidebar, sort mods by download, count or rated. Then click Mod, click Download, then choose latest version and tap on Download with Dependencies. In the My Mods tab, enable or disable mods with toggle switches and click a mode to unistyle or manage it. Switch profiles to run different mode sets. Now launch the game once with your installed mods, click the Edit Config in the sidebar to tweak mode settings. Look for files like beep.inex.cfg or mode-specific config files. Now in TSMM, click Share to generate a code. Your friend opens the app, clicks Import and passes your code. This copies all your modes and settings in their profile, so no manual needed. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.